Hey Pakistani, today I'm beautiful. You see me? You see me? Oh, you not see me. Today I'm beautiful. I flex my beauty with you because before I'm shy, before I'm scary, but now I'm less scary today because now I'm feel so perfect, Beshi. Ganda talaga ng aking mukha, Beshi, ngayon. Nag-fresh na sa aming carbon laser. Hey Pakistani, for now is I have gift for you, but this is my surprise. My gosh. Mm. You like flowers? Do you like my flowers? What do you like? Red or pink or this one? Yellow. Do you like yellow? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. If you love me, you see the airplane here? I go Philippines and I go Pakistan. Same with you. My gosh, you see, I'm sexy. Mhm. Diba? For you. For you. For you. For you. And also for you. You like me, diba? Before you tell me you like me. That's why. Me for you. And you for me. And you go Philippines, you and me. Okay? But today, this is for you and give me for me.